Welcome to today's tutorial video. So we are going to enter formatting properly. In today's video, we are going to talk about font formatting. So formatting, all the formatting tools are in the home ribbon. So once you click the home ribbon, generally it's just for formatting generally. So today we are going to look at only font formatting. When I talk about font formatting, I'm talking about the font size, the font style, the font color, and the fill color. This is basically what you are going to be looking at. So I'm going to be working basically with this segment here. So let me give you a preview, a general preview. This place is where you have the font style. So if you want to change the font style, you just click this drop down button and check it. Then where you have the numbers, where you have the font size. So if you click through it, as you can see my live preview, if you click through it, you change the font size. Then this place is what I have the increase. For example, if I select my heading and I click on this, it brings me a step, it increases it by one step. And if I click on this small a, it decreases it by one step. As you can see, if I click on it, I'm in 16. If I click back, I'm in 14. So if you want to do a quick increase and decrease, you can use this right here. Then this is my bold. If you want to make the heading bold, this is italics. If I want to make it a little bit slanty, this is for underline. If I want to make it underline, you have double underline here too. And this here is the font color. If you want to change the font color, as you can see, then this is the fill color. Fill color and font color is different. As watch out, fill color changes the color of the cell entirely, but font color changes the color of the input of the cell. So they are two different things. Okay, so let me begin. I'm just giving a live preview. Okay, so let's start. First of all, I want to work on my heading. I want to make my heading stand out. So to make my heading stand out, before you do any formatting in Excel, first of all, select where you want to format. If you don't select it, it won't be applied. I want to change the size to make it a little bit bigger to be suitable for a heading. I'm going to choose 24. Okay, and as you can see, it's bigger now. I can't choose this because I'm changing from 16 to 24, so I don't want to keep clicking. Then to change the font style, I have to click this drop down button and I have to check for Times New Roman. You can choose whatever thing you want to choose. Just make sure it's readable and is accepted by your organization, because you're going to be doing a whole lot of reporting presentation. So make sure it's readable and is legible to people and is accepted by your organization. So you can choose whatever font you want. As you can see, as I'm going through them, it's automatically changing, giving me a live preview of what they look like. So I'm going to scroll down till T, because my organization uses Times New Roman a lot. So here we go. Click on it and it has been applied. So this is what my summary my heading look like. Okay, then if I want to still work on this heading, to change the color of this heading, I don't want it to be black. I want it to stand out, as I said initially. I can come here and change the font color I like. Okay, as you're going through them, you'll be seeing what it looks like. Okay, I want to make it stand out. Should I use red? Oh, let me use dark red. I think this is okay. And voila, I've changed the font color of this. Now to demonstrate fill color, I'll go to this subheading where you have the manager, the quartiles, and the total. So to change this subheading, first of all, we have to format. If you didn't format, nothing will change. So I have to make it bold first. You can make it slanted by clicking it italics, but I don't want it to be slanted. I just want it to be bold. And then I will change the fill color too. I want to change the fill color to tell people that, oh, this is a subheading. So I think using a green is okay. I'll make it green. Then also I have to change the font color. what I did now is a fill color. To change this font color, just as I did for my heading, I have to select it, come here, you can go for white, okay, or you can go for a color that will deeply contrast this green to make it stand out. Let me go for light yellow. As you can see, is readable. So the purpose of formatting is to make your work readable, okay. So this is all for font style, font size, bold, italics, fill color, font color. That is all for now, and see you in my next module. Bye bye.